Hello everyone, my name is Reza Amraei. In this video, I'll teach you how to introduce yourself in Persian. And before we start, please subscribe to my channel and let's go. In Persian, we say man hastam. Man hastam, man is I, hastam is am. When I'm going to say I'm Reza, which means my name is Reza, I'll translate it in Persian to man hastam Reza or man Reza hastam. Let's say it again. For example, if my name was Elijah, which I'll say in English, I'm Elijah, I am Elijah. Okay, now let's say it in Persian. We will say man Elijah hastam. But know that verbs always in Persian will go in the end of the sentence. For example, man Reza hastam. Hastam is the verb which is translated to am. Now pause the video and tell me your name in Persian. Great job, amazing. If your name was Sina, you would say man Sina hastam. If your name was Karen, you'll say man Karen hastam. Okay? Now to the next step. To say where are you from. To say where you're from, you should use this formula. You should always bring your subject in the first and your verb in the end. And know that from translating to Persian is as or ahle. When I'm going to say I'm from France, saying that man ahle فرانسه هستم. When I'm going to say I'm from UK, I say man ahle بریتانیا هستم. Or another example, I'm from Russia, man ahle روسیه هستم. Know that country names in all other societies always are different. For example, Egypt is translated to Misr in Persian. Okay, now stop the video and tell me where are you from. Amazing, yeah, great job. If you're from Germany, you say man ahle Germany or Alman هستم. If you're from Poland, you say man ahle Lehistan هستم. Into the next step. To telling what you're doing, what's your job in Persian, you, same as always, you use man hastam. But in the blank, you'll say your job, but your job in Persian. For example, worker in Persian means karigar. When I'm going to say I'm a worker, I'll say man karigar hastam. When I'm going to say I'm a doctor in Persian, I'll say man doktor hastam. Okay, now if you are a nurse, you'll say in English, I'm a nurse. Okay, man parastar hastam. Now to fully acknowledge what we learned until now, I'll use a conversation and introduce myself. I'll say, hi, I'm Reza. Salam, man Reza hastam. I'm a teacher. Man muallim hastam. I'm from Canada. Man ahle Canada hastam. And nice to meet you is translated to خوشبختم. Now you can introduce yourself in Persian. Write your introduction in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.